Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a Waldorf salad. Now this recipe is a harmonious blend of crisp apples, crunchy celery, sweet grapes, and a creamy dressing, resulting in one amazing salad. I can't wait to show you how to make it, so let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. We're gonna start off by dicing up one celery stalk along its length, cutting that into small pieces. We're also gonna need 1 cup's worth of seedless grapes, and you wanna cut all of those in half. And now in a separate bowl or cup, we want to add in half a cup's worth of heavy whipping cream, alongside a splash of pure vanilla extract and about 1/8 to 1/4 cups worth of powdered sugar. Whisk those ingredients together until stiff peaks form out of a cream. This will create the whipped cream portion of our recipe. And now into a medium-sized bowl, we want to add in this whipped cream alongside 1/4 cup's worth of mayonnaise and fold those two together until they become well combined. For this recipe, we're also going to need 1 Granny Smith apple as well as 1 Honeycrisp apple. We're going to core both of them and then slice up the apples into small bite-sized pieces. You want to add the diced apples into a large mixing bowl. Following that, adding in a tablespoon's worth of granulated white sugar. And want to drizzle about 1 tablespoon's worth of fresh lemon juice over all the apples. You want to toss the apples together with the sugar and lemon until they're all fully coated. We're going to follow that up by adding the diced celery, our sliced grapes, and half a cup's worth of walnuts that have been chopped into the bowl alongside the diced apples. Give that a good mix, and then once it looks like this, you want to add in our prepared cream to the apple mix and fold all the ingredients together until they're well dispersed and coated. You want to season this with a dash or 2 of kosher salt, a little at a time, tossing the mix and tasting it just to ensure that it's seasoned to your own liking. You want to finish that off by seasoning it with black pepper as well. To infuse the flavors, we want to cover the bowl with plastic wrap or lid if you have one, and allow this to chill for at least 1 hour or best overnight. Once it's been chilled, you want to transfer this to a serving bowl, add on a bit of freshly cracked black pepper, and it's ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made a Waldorf salad right at home. This recipe makes 6 good serving sizes of this recipe. For a variation on this, you can always try substituting the walnuts for pecans for a slightly different flavor profile. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. That's available on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link to that on my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too so you don't miss another recipe. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I try to make an awesome option for breakfast or dessert, my snickerdoodle muffins. You don't want to miss this one. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.